Within every school lies a complex web of relationships and structures guiding the educational experience. Today we are diving into the world of education and administration, understanding its roles, processes, and how effective collaboration between teachers and administrators shapes the future of education. Meet Mrs. Priya, a dedicated math teacher who knows that her success in the classroom is closely linked to the support and guidance provided by the school administrators. But what exactly is educational administration and how does it work? At its core, educational administration involves the planning, organizing and leading of educational institutions. Key figures in this process include superintendents, principals and vice principals, all of whom play crucial roles in ensuring that the school runs smoothly. Administrators are not just authority figures, they are leaders who create a vision for their schools, develop policies and manage resources essential for fostering a thriving learning environment. One of the primary functions of educational administrators is collaboration with teachers. This partnership is vital for curriculum development where teachers like Ms. Bria contribute their insight to create engaging and relevant learning materials. Imagine a meeting where teachers and administrators gather to shape the curriculum, integrating various subjects and ensuring that all students receive a comprehensive education. Administrators also work with teachers to establish learning standards goals that guide student progress. These standards aren't just numbers, they reflect the skills and knowledge every student should acquire. In Mrs. Priya's case, she collaborates with her peers to evaluate current standards and propose new ones, ensuring that each child is equipped for future success. In addition to curriculum and standards, fostering a strong relationship with parents is crucial. Administrators and teachers like Mrs. Priya collaborate to develop parent engagement strategies that invite families into the educational process. Through meetings, events and initiatives like home visits, they work to build trusting relationships that support student learning both in and out of the classroom.